Hey, so I'm out here in the garage. It's the end of the day. I just finished working on the leg for the desk that I'm working on. So I figured I would show what I've got done and then show how I did it. So here we go. Hopefully I remember everything. And hopefully the camera's not pointed straight at my neck. I can't tell. Here we go. So today I put in all these bolts. There's a ton of them. It took me a long time, but it's totally worth it. Let me see if I can show you underneath. So the bolts go through, and then, yeah, you can see that. So there's a nut on the other side right there. And I didn't put a washer because I'm really trying to save some space. I need this as short as possible. And it doesn't really need a washer. Anyway, so one little nut up here, and then a big washer. You can see it's a fatty. And then another nut below it. And the reason I did all this is because I'm going to be pouring concrete on the back. Everything that's red is getting concrete on it. And so this washer gives the concrete something to key into and hold on to the back of the desk. And also I thought the bolts in the front just look cool. I like that. So that was the first thing I did. Second thing I did was I got these pieces of, I don't even know what they are, like some kind of plastic. I don't know. But they are the right height because what I need, there's going to be a door going on the face of this, and it's going to be this thick. It's the same thickness as this, so the door will be laying flat right here. I like that the dogs only bark when I'm recording. It's all good. So tape those things on all the way down. Realized that I could only put tape from here down this way. Otherwise, anything that's on this side is going to be exposed, so I want a nice smooth run of tape. I don't want little strips showing, like imprinted in the concrete. So taped those guys on as best as I could on both sides. I'm still going to have to drill. I haven't gotten hinges for the door yet, so I don't know where and how big to drill my holes. So once I get the hinges, I can drill the holes, no big deal. So that's what I did today. And if you keep watching, you can see how I did it in fast forward, because I'm sure you don't want to watch for hours. I don't have anything else to say.